Hello, children of class 6. This is the first chapter of your grammar book, The Sentence. The sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete meaning. सेंटेंस उस ग्रुप को कहते हैं जो कंप्लीट मीनिंग को एक्सप्रेस करता है. एग्जाम्पल, इन बॉर्न मुंबई वॉज सचिन. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स, बट these words doesn't express any meaning. Okay, so this is not a sentence. The right sentence is Sachin was born in Mumbai. Sachin was born in Mumbai is the right sentence. Before writing a sentence, there are some rules which we have to follow. First of all, the sentence should be in proper order. The sentence should start with capital letter, and when we end a sentence, there should be a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. Okay, so these are the rules which we have to follow before writing a sentence. Now, the phrase. Some group of words that make sense but not complete sense. Okay, so some group of words that make sense but not complete sense. कुछ group of words होते हैं जो कि कुछ सेंस उन ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स का निकलता है, बट दे डजंट मेक कंप्लीट सेंस. पूरा कंप्लीट मीनिंग नहीं निकलता उस वर्ड्स से. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एट नाइट इन द पार्क एटसेट्रा. एट नाइट इन द पार्क एटसेट्रा. A group of words that make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. Okay, so group of words that make sense but not complete sense is called phrase. Every group of words cannot be called a phrase. सभी group of words को हम लोग phrase नहीं कह सकते हैं. A phrase must make some sense. Okay, कुछ सेंस उस वर्ड्स का निकलना चाहिए. Then only we will tell that the words are phrases. Okay, example, has fine is not a phrase, but fine beaches is a phrase. Has fine doesn't make any meaning. Has fine जब हम लोग बोलते हैं तो कोई मीनिंग नहीं निकल रहा है, but when we say fine beaches, it is a phrase. Kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. First one, assertive or declarative sentences. Second is interrogative sentences. Third is imperative sentences. And fourth is exclamatory sentences. First one is assertive sentences or declarative sentences. So assertive sentences are of 2 types. Okay, first one is affirmative sentences or positive sentences. Second one is negative sentences, in which sentences no, not, never, etc. comes. Okay, affirmative sentences जो होते हैं वो positive sentences होते हैं. Okay, और जो नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस होंगे उस सेंटेंसेस में नो, नॉट, नेवर ये सब का यूज़ होगा. ओके, सो असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस आर ऑफ 2 टाइप्स. फर्स्ट वन इज अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस एंड सेकेंड वन इज negative sentences. Okay, Example is given here. Tom goes to school daily. So this is a assertive sentences and it is a positive sentence. Okay. Tom does not go to school daily. Here in this sentence not is used, so this is a negative sentence. Now second one. Second one is interrogative sentences. So these sentences ask questions. These sentences must have question mark. So in these sentences, in interrogative sentences, the question is asked. Okay? Question पूछा जाता है and the sentences must have question mark. Okay? If there is a question mark, we understand that the sentence is a interrogative sentence. Okay? Example, are you playing in the match? Here is question mark. So this is a interrogative sentence. Where are you from? There is also a question mark. So this is also an interrogative sentence. Now second one. Now third one is imperative sentences. So these sentences expresses order, requests and advice. So in imperative sentences, orders, requests and advice are present. Okay? जब हम ऑर्डर देते हैं, जब हम किसी चीज़ के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं और जब हम किसी चीज़ के लिए एडवाइस देते हैं. ओके? व्हेन दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस वी सी, जब हम इस टाइप का सेंटेंस देखते हैं जिसमें ऑर्डर, रिक्वेस्ट और एडवाइस हो, तो वो इम्परेटिव सेंटेंसेस के अंडर में आता है. राइट? नाउ एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन हियर. प्लीज गिव मी 1 glass of water. Okay? So we are asking, I am requesting. So this is a imperative sentence. Don't smoke here. I am giving an advice. You have to not to smoke here. So this is also an imperative sentence. Now fourth one is exclamatory sentences. So these sentences expresses strong or sudden feelings. Okay? Strong or sudden feelings इस exclamatory sentences में express होता है. These sentences must contain exclamatory mark. इन sentences में exclamatory mark present होता है. These sentences mainly contains hurrah, alas, wow, what and how. Okay? So these all things comes in exclamatory sentences. Example, how big it is. How big it is. What a beautiful picture. So this comes in exclamatory sentences. Now this is the overview of this chapter. First one, assertive sentences. You have to keep these all things in mind. Okay? Assertive sentences or declarative sentences are those sentences that must be positive or negative. Okay? So assertive sentences must be positive or negative. Second one, interrogative sentences must have question mark. In interrogative sentences, there should be a question mark. Third one, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences expresses orders, requests and advice. Okay? And fourth is exclamatory sentences. So exclamatory sentences must contain an exclamation mark. Okay? This thing you have to remember, children. अगर ये याद हुआ हो गया आप लोग को, तो you will not make any confusions. Okay? There will be no confusion. You will not make any mistakes. ये चारों तरह के जो सेंटेंसेस है यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड. जैसे ही हम सेंटेंस देखेंगे हमारे दिमाग में आ जाएगा. अगर किसी सेंटेंस को देखते हैं देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क एट द लास्ट, दैट इज एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. व्हेन देयर इज एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क, that is an exclamatory sentences. When there is request, order or advice, that is an imperative sentence. और assertive sentence से जो होता है कि वो assert कर रहा है किसी चीज़ को, वो state कर रहा है, that would be either positive or negative. Okay. Now children, there are some exercises. So this is question number 1. Write AS for assertive, IN for interrogative, IM for imperative, and EX for exclamatory sentences. So first one, fetch a glass of water. This is a imperative sentence as it is giving an order. Second one, what a noise they are making. This is an exclamatory sentence as exclamation is used here. Third one, are you playing in the match? This is an interrogative sentence. It is asking a question. Fourth one, alas, we have lost the match. This is an exclamatory sentence as exclamation is used here. Fifth one, she does not care for anyone. This is an assertive sentence. It is stating something. Sixth one, the boys were enjoying themselves. This is also an assertive sentence. Seventh, the river is full of fish. This is also a assertive sentence. An assertive sentence. Okay. Eighth, he has never told a lie. This is also an assertive sentence. Ninth one, don't go there. This is an imperative sentence as it is giving an order. Okay. Next one, last one is 10th. This is eat only boiled vegetables. This is an imperative sentence as it is giving an advice. Okay. Now this is the second question. Rewrite the following exclamatory sentences as assertive sentences. Okay, you have to rewrite the exclamatory sentences as an assertive sentences. So first one, what a piece of work man is. Okay, you have to change into assertive. So answer is man is a great piece of work. Okay. Second one, how cold and scary the night. Answer, the night is very cold and scary. Third one, how humid and sultry the weather is. Answer, the weather is humid and sultry. Now question number 3, rewrite the following groups of words as sentences. The kind of sentence to be formed is mentioned in the brackets. The first word of the sentence is underlined. Okay children, तो आपको इसमें जो फर्स्ट वर्ड है वो अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है. ओके, सेंटेंसेस आर गिवन हियर एंड द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज अंडरलाइन. So you have to start the first word with the underlined word. Okay, जो underlined word है उससे आपको sentence start करना है. Okay, so first one is patients have it how must needed much. This is an, you have to change into an exclamation sentence. Okay, exclamatory sentences. Okay, so first one is answer, how much of patience is it must have needed, exclamation mark. Okay, second one, know you it improving do aren't he much by how, question. So you have to ask a question. Okay, so here answer is, do you know how much he earned by improving it. Okay, here is question mark. Now third one, bulb, he later invented electric the also. So you have to change to statement. Okay, you have to write an statement. So here is answer. Later he also invented the electric bulb. Okay children, so these were the exercises you have to write in your note copy. Write these exercises properly in your note copy. Okay, and study at home properly. As soon as your schools reopens, your examinations will start. Okay, so study at home hard. Okay, thank you.